Welcome back to CNC training video. Today I'll show how to make this spar gear for the beginner. Here is the mechanical design for a spar gear. Here is a bigger outer diameter. Here radius 31. See, and here 40 diameter and last 26. And the finally shaft diameter 15 mm. That means here is radius 7.5 mm. See, and teeth. See, teeth with see maximum with 6 mm and upper with 3 mm. See, and the radius 10 mm. So let's try to make this. First take the part, see, and then ASUS uh, front plane, okay, and a sketch. See, now I select circle. See, I need fifth circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth. See, let's define first smart dimension, and here outer diameter. See, the bigger diameter 62 millimeter. See, and the second one 50 millimeter. Okay, and this 40 millimeter. Okay, and here 26 millimeter. Okay. And the last shaft diameter 15 millimeter. Okay, now click this outer diameter and make sure it's construction geometry. See, now it's construction. Now I chose line. First option, here center line. So start from origin. Okay, make sure it's vertical. See, it's vertical. Okay, now I chose 3-point arc. Click the arc and 3-point arc. Okay, start from this here to here. Okay, let's define. Click smart dimension, and this point to center line here with to bottom with 6 millimeter. One side is 3 millimeters. Okay, and the top with one side 1.5 millimeter. Okay, and radius here 10 millimeter. Okay, now I choose mirror. First click mirror option, and here choose mirror, and mirror about, press mirror from center line, so it's mirror. Okay, now I choose the arc, 3-point arc again, 3-point arc, and start from first circle to here and connect the this circle. See, it's connected from center diameter. So now our one teeth is created. Let's make a pattern. First, pattern option. Here circle sketch pattern. First click this and click the all teeth. First, second and third. And here is teeth number of teeth 16. Okay, here is 16 of the teeth in circle. Okay, now I cut this unnecessary line. First, choose the mirror power trim, sorry, trim power trim, and drag this. Oh, sorry. First, choose trim power trim and drag this, and all our entities trim in teeth. See, our teeth is created. Now let's create the key slot. First, so I choose the center rectangle. First, click center rectangle. Okay, start from this. Okay, let's define. So smart dimension, slot width 3 mm. Okay, and distance from origin here is 9 mm. Okay, now trim this portion, unnecessary portion. First, click sketch. Here is trim entities. First, choose power trim and drag this inner rectangle. See? Okay. After I cutted this inner portion, our design is under defined. So first, click this point and hold Ctrl key to this and center line. Make sure it's symmetric. See, now our define is okay. See, our design is fully defined. Now see, everything is okay. If you want, you can make it 3D, but I learned for, oh sorry, cut it, miss one. Okay, I learned for a beginner. So if you want to 3D first, click feature. Here is the 3D option, extrude boss. So I just learn step by step. Today I just show. First click here. Here is with 10 mm. Okay, no problem. See, and now again click this extrude. First option. I just say I don't learn this because I want step by step. Okay, here is with 8 mm and it's mid, sorry, mid plane. Okay. First one. Okay, and the last. Don't take is hesitate because I just showing fast. you make 2D clearly. See, here is the 3D design. So no need to fast, because your is when you goes to your creative level is, then I will show how to make 3D. See, you can try to make 2D just. Okay, thanks for watching. Thank you.